Good afternoon. Today we'll be discussing the difference between LLC and self-employed taxes. All small businesses have one thing in common. They need to file taxes. Even mines. As an independent contractor or self-employed individual, you're a sole proprietor and are liable for everything that happens in your business, good and bad. As the only person involved, all expenses, debts, and income are yours. Anything that happens with your business is on your shoulders. All income and expenses passes through you as the owner, meaning you declare them on your personal tax return on Form Schedule C. When you go into business for yourself, things get a little bit trickier. You are the boss and you must file your taxes. Some choose to form an LLC. As an LLC, you can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a corporation. The way you are taxed is based on the number of members. Owners of an LLC are taxed individually on their share of the business. You'll determine the size of each member's responsibility of the business's losses or gains. As a single member LLC is recognized as a sole proprietorship by the IRS when filing taxes. Therefore, you will file Form Schedule C the same as a self-employed or independent contractor. As a multi-member LLC, taxes start to become different when filing. Each owner receives their portion of the profit and files a Schedule E, which is attached to your individual return. As a multi-member LLC, you'll also file Form 1065 with the IRS. It's also used by a partnership. LLCs can also elect to be taxed as a S corporation or C corporation by the IRS, which will require you to file either Form 1120S or 1120. As an LLC, you'll need to provide a Schedule K1 to each member, which breaks down the profit and losses for each member in the business. The major difference between being self-employed, an independent contractor, or forming an LLC is that when you're self-employed, you are responsible for all the gains and losses of the company. But as an LLC, you are only required to report the portion of the company you are responsible for, which gives you extra protection and assurance, especially if you have partners. The benefit of being self-employed are that you don't need to worry about complex tax forms. As a single member LLC, you enjoy the same benefits as a self-employed individual. With a multi-member LLC or partnership LLC, the company return is filed on behalf of the owner. This means the owner pays taxes based on their partnership income or the income that they receive through the partnership. It's a great idea to discuss your options with a tax professional when deciding or considering to become self-employed or forming an LLC. Every state has different requirements for filing and paying taxes, so the advice you'll get on how to form will be beneficial to the success and growth of your business. Feel free to contact me at info@taxontrack.com or 646-868-8833 for further information. I hope you found this information useful and have a great day.